Oh, yeah. Good evening, good evening,
Wagwan, kings and queens.
What a one. Happy Friday.
Doreen?
Yes, we soon be going to up one by one. But we have a little something here for our queens tonight.
We do.
And queens, let's get it in. Let's get it in vanilla for our queens tonight.
Okay. All right. Here's to the woman who knows where she's going and will keep on until she gets there. Who knows not only what she wants from life, but she has to offer in return.
Yes. Here's to the woman who is loyal to family and friends, who expect no more from others than she is willing to give.
Here's to the woman who gives the gifts of her thoughtfulness, who shows her caring with a word of support, her understanding with a smile, a woman who brings joy to others just by being herself.
Here's to you all our queens. Happy Women's Day! Yes!
Happy Women's Day to all our queens! Yes! I am Roses!
Yes! Let me get back in and see you in the comments. Yes! Gloria Grant!
Gloria Grant!
Yes!
Hi! Pick up yourself! Nationa!
Lucina!
Lucina!
Nationa! Susan!
Set! Pat Williams!
Pat Williams! And you wrapped your arms around me.
Celeste!
And the
Arnett!
I forever do. Nadia!
Nadia!
Hey, the love of a woman like
Melinda!
you. Linda! Buck!
Buck! Pick up
Hey,
yourself!
thank you!
Thank you so much!
Thank you! Dion! What's up?
Allison!
Allison!
Yes!
Sophia!
Nadine!
Nadine!
Sophia!
Yes,
Sharon
Sharon!
Desiree!
Desiree!
Precious!
Precious! To deserve the love of a woman like you. Pick up on herself, Vivian!
Pick up Vivian!
Patricia Williams! Yes, Maxine!
Patricia Williams!
Burl!
Pearl!
Or Beryl! Sunny Kay! Naomi! Naomi like you!
Patricia!
Patricia!
Tanya Reed!
Tanya Reed! Yes!
What I've shown you,
There's a name I missed.
what I'm feeling,
Oh, Kylie! Kylie! I hope
I hope we get that right.
I've had
Evans around.
around me. Every time
You wrapped your
Laura
arms
Murray!
around,
Cat Mullen!
and there's nothing I can say or forever do.
Louise!
Deserve, hey, a love of a woman like you.
Unique!
Unique. Hey, Janet,
Janet! Woman like you. Anita!
Anita.
Winston!
Welcome, welcome. Come on in and take a seat. Make yourself comfortable. We're here to have some fun with y'all tonight.
Sandra Clark!
Yes.
Pick up yourself! Happy International Women's Day to all of you!
Happy Women's International Day. Pick up yourself, Blanca Boss, and to all the other platform holders, all the females out there.
Yes, pick up yourself!
Big you up tonight too, all right? Big up on herself.
Big up
on
to all
herself.
the women platform holders.
Yes,
One
big
and
up.
all.
One and all, big up on herself. Of course, not the enemies.
Right,
them,
not
just
the-
the
not-
real woman.
right,
Them.
right.
Yeah, man, I put my mouth to ground and talk, and I
No.
fake it. You understand? I ain't faking nothing.
The
Yeah.
ones that we support and
Yes.
love.
The one.
Big up yourself.
Yes, the one who stand up for truth.
Yes.
Right and justice. Yes. Big up on yourself. Yes. Big up on yourself. Big up yourself, Stacey Campbell, as always.
Big up yourself,
Big up
Stacey.
yourself. Yeah, man. All right, tonight we forgot to put in the topic, huh?
Yeah.
Tonight it's a truth or dare between Vanilla and I. Don't you go nowhere because it's going to get spicy up in here. Spicy up in here. So it's a truth or dare for us tonight. Yes. And sorry for us not being on, but I was under the weather. Whatever Vanilla had, she brought it over here. And I was so sick.
And I was sick before that.
Yes.
Yes.
So that's the reason for our absence. But
Right.
we're here. Yes?
We're here.
To God be the glory.
Amen.
Great things he has done.
Amen, amen.
Yes, I'm feeling much better. A lot better. I'm going to pay attention to hear me that have some Milo and a spill upon me. Alright? Me know say you have people on social media them zoom in and see everything.
Everything.
Alright, we really don't care.
No.
So, tonight this is how it go, guys, between us. It's called Truth or Dare. I have 6 questions under the truth, and I have 6 dares.
And so do I.
I have 6 truth for Vanilla, and I have 6 dares for her.
Yep. And I have 6 truths for chocolate and 6 dares for chocolate.
Okay, this is how it's gonna work though. For the dares, she can only pass on 2 of the dares.
And vice versa. She can only pass on 2.
And if she decide to pass on the dare, she have to take a shot.
And so does she. If she
Right?
passes.
If we pass the dare.
And we cannot use whatever our answers are, we can't repeat if anything might happen to be similar.
Right. I cannot repeat.
No.
If Vanilla choose, for example, choose someone, I can't choose that same person.
Correct.
Alright? It have to be different.
Yep.
Yes. Have to be different.
Yes.
So, that is the game we're going to play tonight.
Yes.
Very interesting. If you don't miss it and want to repeat again, make the comment and understand the game.
We want to make sure you guys know what we are doing.
Yes,
So
we love
make
to
sure
have
you know.
fun
Yes.
over here. Yes.
Yes.
Just in case you're new, welcome. I'm Chocolate.
And I'm Vanilla.
Yes, and we love to have fun.
They said, all right, all right.
All right. It's going to get good.
right.
All right. Okay. Who want to go first?
I'll go first.
You'll go first. Okay.
Yep. All right. Truth or dare, first of all. Truth or dare?
Truth or dare? Jesus Christ. Give me the truth, because I love to tell the truth.
Okay.
Give me the truth.
Okay.
Give me the truth. We have to pay attention to what I'm saying to. Guys, no get pan way if we miss few of the comments. You understand? Yes, but we will check in from time to time.
They want to know if them are going to put it in the comments. No, this is our truth and our dare.
This is our truth and our dare.
Yeah.
Alright? Another day you have to take a shot for pass up on a dare. So how you have to be a part of it? Eh?
Yeah.
Now me alone have to take a shot when me decide for pass up on my dare.
And me alone for take one when me decide for pass?
Right.
I can't take one by myself.
Right.
Teaching you my cooking skills.
Big up yourself, Auntie.
Happy
International Women's Day to you, darling. Yes.
Love you.
Mwah.
Big up yourself.
Yes. So
Every time.
Every time, not sometime, not
All
once
the
in a
time.
while. Yeah, not half a time. All the time. You dig? You dig? All right. Okay, Vanilla.
Okay, so you said truth, right?
True.
All right.
Mighty God help me tonight. Because she evil, you know. As much as I see her, she evil. It will come with some ridiculous sitting for me. She evil.
Okay.
All right.
And you have to answer it. You have to answer all the truth. You
Yeah,
can't
me
pass.
know
All
some
right.
have to answer.
Okay.
Well, hurry up.
What is your most embarrassing moment being drunk?
My most embarrassing moment being drunk. Me not get drunk often, if ever. Jesus Christ. One time, me did a show off. Yeah? Me have a bunch of friends. This was way back in the days when I was younger. I have my apartment. So, me have a whole bunch of friends with me, and a whole bunch of friends will leave work early, and they decide to come to my apartment with me. They came to my apartment and we started drinking. And I want to show off on them and show them say me the baddest drinker. So me end up shotting the J. Ray and Neville white rum. Me shot the rum and when me shot the damn rum, me keep you know how harsh that the rum there is. Me take about 2 or 3 shots of the J. Ray and Neville rum. You see when drunkenness take me lift off a mattress off of my bed. Lift off the mattress off a bed, fling with them people that just come to my apartment for the very first time. And I was a mess. And from that, me decided I would never, ever, ever drink.
Again.
And get drunk again.
Drunk
as soon as me feel a little tip, that's it for me. Yeah, man. Okay. So that was my most embarrassing.
All right. That's understandable.
Yeah, truth or dare?
Truth.
Truth for you.
Yep.
All right. Oh, boy. May I get an easy one them first?
Okay.
Why do you prefer black men over white men?
I love their swag. And, you know, I can't attest to this, but I heard that white men don't have as big as a anaconda like a black man. So I love the anaconda.
So all you think know if it,
I don't. I'm going by what I've heard. I've heard.
So here, so make you choose anaconda.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I love them swag, and I love.
You love them swag. What kind of swag? What kind of swag you have?
Yeah.
What kind of swag?
The way that them can, you know, move and wind up them waists. Because, you know, not everybody can wind up them waists.
Okay.
Yeah, them can wind up them waists. Good.
Oh, just take the wheel.
They know how to move.
They know how to
yes,
move.
they know what they're doing.
Tell me about the vanilla cam, me no know. All right, yeah. Tell me about it.
Yes.
Okay, your turn.
All right, truth or dare?
I stick with the truth.
Okay.
I stick with the truth. Me not ready feed you. Me feel nervous, boy, dear them people. Me nervous, boy, dear.
Okay.
Me coming no evil vanilla is. Me nervous, boy, ratty, dear them. Okay.
All right.
Truth.
What would you rather do? Have sex in the ocean or have sex on the elevator?
Well, since me experience the ocean already, I would say the elevator.
You'd say the elevator?
Yeah, I would say the elevator. Make it go up and down and then up and down. Me like things will go up and down. Yeah.
You like things that go up and down?
Up and down, yes.
Okay. All right.
Truth or dare?
Not gonna be risky. May I try a dare?
Yeah, try a dare.
May I try? God help me. Come and no say it shouldn't easy, you know. Oh.
All right. Truth or dare? I'm gonna dare you that you come on live and make dumplings from scratch on live.
All right, I'll keep that dare.
You're going to keep it there? You're going to do that?
Okay. We'll do that, because we don't know what the other ones are, and I'm kind of afraid, so we'll keep the one then.
Yeah, keep the one there.
Yeah, I'm afraid of what chocolate they're going to bring for me for dare.
All right, me ready for me.
Yeah.
All
okay,
right.
Truth or dare?
Okay. Give me a dare.
All right.
I'll be brave. Me not make you out, though. Me I will be dare. Me I go with it.
All right. I dare you, chocolate, to go skydiving with me on my birthday. Are you going to keep it or are you going to drink? Keep or drink.
So do I get a chance for, like, if me keep the dare here now, do I get a chance to switch it later?
No.
No. Me have to decide now.
You have to decide now, keep or drink.
What
you going to do? Jump out of the airplane with me? Or take a shot?
Jesus Christ. Me love turn up on solid ground and vanilla. Me love solid ground.
What's the girl to do?
Me love have my foot on things where me can feel.
You can feel free.
Me and my mother wash belly daughter. All of my siblings them.
You don't want to feel free floating down from the sky.
Me can't feel free right now. Me feel free right now. Me no cage.
Can't talk about floating down from the sky.
You know what? Me I gotta take a shot. Me nah commit to it. Me no business. Who want call me coward? Me nah go jump with vanilla. She depend on her own June 3rd. Me will take a shot. June 2nd. Yeah, me not up in the fast. Me will take a shot. Me take a shot and get drunk tonight, people, but me not commit to it. Me don't care what the one say that I commit. Me not jump out of the damn airplane with vanilla.
Then tell you to take a shot.
Me a take a shot. Me not jump out. Yeah, me not jump. Yeah, black girls
Oh,
don't.
see, then say take a shot. Take
Black,
a shot.
yeah, black girls don't jump. Yes, how about that? Me love feel my foot on solid ground. Yeah, you see them I sing at the cross and me at the cross. No.
But you're going down with an instructor, not like you have it down by yourself?
Me a
girl?
pass pan it vanilla. Instructor, you know, too risky for me. Instructor, not me a pass. Yes.
All right.
Truth or dare?
All right, may I go back with the truth?
All right. Oh. Okay. Name 3 people you would bring with you to a verbal war on social media and why.
A verbal war on social media.
Yes.
Okay.
Ooh, it a burn up in my belly, man. Lord, my gut. Ooh,
You all right?
it a burn up in my belly. Ooh, all right, go on. Hurry up.
Okay, all right. So I would bring Kingston 13
Why?
because I love the way she come out. I love the way she calls.
You love to...
Yeah, I love the way she calls.
All
Me da
right.
bring Kingston 13.
All right.
All right. Me da bring Ashanti because me think say I'm funny.
Yeah.
And me da bring Legendary.
Why?
Because Legendary always comes with his evidence.
Okay, so...
If him come with and say something, it have backup. Him come with him backup.
Now them there 3 people.
Those are the 3 people me da bring. If me could have picked more, me da pick more. But if me have to pick 3, those would be my first 3.
Oh, God.
First
Now, this is what
3.
I'm about to say in a
Yeah.
comment. No, sir.
Yeah.
Them I laugh for me. Somebody say pretty done. So them that bring pretty done.
Oh, okay.
All right.
All right.
Okay, what turn mine?
Your turn. Truth or dare?
Ah, Jesus Christ. Vanilla, I don't know if I can take a next shot. So give me with the truth. Give me the truth then. Hold
right.
on there till this soap down in my body. No, sir. In my belly, I burn up in the people. No, Lord God Almighty.
All right.
Yeah.
What is your most embarrassing moment during sex?
You see how me know say vanilla crosses? Say vanilla go come with them sitting there. Why for your man always depend
Hey.
on sex vanilla?
Hey.
You have white liver? Your liver white too because you're white?
It's possible.
Jesus, a P66 full up your head.
Hey.
No. Most embarrassing moment during sex. Ah, Jesus. You know how much sex me have for 30 odd years now?
You must have an embarrassing moment within
you expect
them.
me to remember
You
all of my
must
sex.
have an embarrassing moment within them 30 odd years.
Ah, Jesus.
A 30 odd. I know just 30. A 30 odd because you were
Yeah.
together prior to marriage.
Ah, Jesus.
So,
I really
you
want
must
to tell
have think of
I can't
something.
pass Spanish.
No.
Me feel drunk already. Mighty God, man. It a burn out my belly, man. Then when me feel drink, people, it a burn out my belly. Okay, most embarrassing. But I think me poop one time. Yeah, I think me poop one time. Me have gas and it
Yeah.
just decide to come out.
Yeah?
Yeah. I think my poop one time. And yeah, me so embarrassed. Yeah. Yeah, it
Your
poop
fart-
just come out. You know when I do them kind of aerobics thing, and it just wake up. It poop.
See, somebody else said fart from, we get it from the eye.
Yeah, man, me poop, man. Me say me poop, and me say me don't know if me
Did
blow
it
him.
think?
I one of them poop when I come with
silent?
it. Yeah, one of them. No, man, it didn't loud.
Oh.
But it needs a think because it ain't too
Could you
think.
imagine if it didn't stink?
Yeah, it
Why?
never too. Yeah, well, like a smell still in but it never too think. It never too think because we continue. You understand? I mean, I never trug it about trug, but
Maybe he was just in the groove. He didn't even think about
we
it.
continue. You understand? Me thought the poop come out and me could have said sorry. Sorry,
Sorry.
Sorry, dear. You understand? Me said sorry. Yeah, sorry. Me didn't mean to do it. I wanted one you couldn't control. You understand? And I like to me could have squeeze in and you know come out. He's sitting just vulgar, so you know just bust way. Yeah, bust way on him. Poor Mike. Sorry.
Aye.
Me still feel bad about you today. I don't know why you come and ask me that question. Because I know me feel bad over the whole situation. You know, me embarrassed right now as we speak. Yeah. Trust me, me embarrassed, man. I'm still embarrassed, and I'm going to all what 20 odd years that happened. But we will never forget it. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, me feel my belly a bubble when he go on with the things. But I feel him fault because he moved me to a different position. If he left me, which part me there, it wouldn't have been bust out. You understand? But when he was trying for me...
If a joke in the just...
No, me did alright in position me in a film fast to want to move me and make, you know, go a different position. Just left me that position. Because my belly did a bubble up and I said, alright, I'm comfortable right here, so. But him want to, you know what I mean? Go along with himself. You understand? I don't feel my fault. Not for my fault at all. I don't feel my fault. But remember, I'll know. But me say me hate you. You see, Vanilla, me hate you. God know me hate you if you bring that up. Because I'm embarrassed. I'll know me embarrassed. Trust me. In a woofer turn. Because me under me look at this. I see me a strong, you know, because me feel me eye them a roll over.
My turn.
Yeah, for your turn?
Yeah.
And if you ask you, or
yeah,
you if you ask you, truth or dare?
Alright. Mago dear.
Dear, alright. I dare you to eat a seafood boil.
Hell no! Ano bomba kaya tato? Ako na be. No,
Yes.
sir.
Just try.
We'll take a shot.
Yeah.
We'll take a shot for the one there.
You can't try seafood again.
No.
Just
No.
Me did full up for me glass. Me did full up for me glass. Now better come here when you're all sneaking self. My glass did full. You understand?
I wasn't paying attention to how full your glass was.
My glass did full.
No.
My glass full.
No.
Okay.
All right.
One. Go along, chug. You got feeling in your gut. Yeah. You must think I easy sitting this way ramp with.
Woo!
Yeah, what name? Johnny Walker Black? That's her name? Yeah. Yeah.
Johnny Walker.
Yeah, blue. Okay. Well, we are going to turn black when you're done with it.
We are going to turn all kinds of color.
Yes, on there. Yeah.
Woo!
Where's that? What am I saying? Me can't read that thing. You ask me a thing.
I'm screaming.
You know, scream.
Thank you, Melissa. At least do not me alone.
All right, I overturn. Go on.
All right, truth or dare?
All right. Me I go with the truth. Me I stick to the truth. Me I run from it dare. Me not gonna do it dare till me not have no choice.
Yeah, run out of options.
Jesus God, how your phone looks so shiny. It is shiny from morning.
All right. Who do you think is the biggest liar on social media?
Me tell you how Vanilla vindictive and him make people come trace me now. Cause I know me not go around him. I go talk the truth. What's up me under me liquor? Vanilla, why you sit down and write them the kind of question there?
You want me to answer it for you?
No, me no want you answer it for me question. Jesus,
okay.
Why Vanilla always try to get me in trouble and everybody thinks that me are the bad one? What?
Who is the biggest liar on social media?
The biggest liar me can think about on social media is Cracker Teeth. Yeah, me not put my mouth on ground and talk. Yeah, she a biggest liar because she make people come on her platform and lie upon way and she never try to stop it. You understand? She's a liar because she get up every day and talk about say she go up to God and she different and the only thing she do is all me see she really do is downgrade to a mongrel instead of a bulldog. She gone to a mongrel. She make people come and she still have people that do her dirty work for her. Yeah, she's a liar because she lie upon we, so why would we believe anything else, anything she ever says? She lie upon we daily. Every day. What else me can't find? There's just so much. She's just a pathological liar, a dunce liar. Yeah, she says she not trouble people, but she trouble we because Jamaica and the people they have this woman power mind. They know that she's still alive and she start lick out upon my clothes for me that wear. And then in the next breath she call upon Jesus and say they're not trouble the trouble people. She gonna make her mongrel run out for me because of this, but me not talk to people in the darkness who can come to the light. Me not care where your office is, me not care, you know, for your favorite line is, you know, let me think about your favorite line, like a mongrel. Common sense dictates that common sense dictate that you know you would know this and you would know that and us, but dead and cow fat. Them are liar because me not see them in a court. Because first of all, when you go in a court and if you go with voice note, the judge are gonna say to you, say, okay, so you have all these voice notes. Who are these people that you get the voice notes from? What kind of members are they to society? What are their background? Where did they get that information from? So, okay, all right. We have this.
Proof?
No, let me answer my question now.
All right.
Yes. You know, they don't understand, say, talking per social media and being a quote are two different things. You understand? But when you look upon them mother effer in court, you know, with them pale face and them blood hair and then try to make you look like a damn idiot, no matter how smart you is, you understand? First of all, they're going to be like, so you're in this country, America, and that person is in Jamaica. Now, can you show me evidence of what you have sent to that person and they did not use it towards whatever it is, the cause that you had sent your money for? Well, sir, sir, and I mean, other people. And the judge look at you and say, so, okay, where are those people? We need those people to come in and to represent themselves. Why are you in here? You understand me? Well, me did get a voice note from Jack down a Bendong. And who is Jack? Did Jack gave his money and did not see that his money was put towards whatever it is that Jack had sent his money for? Yes, Jack tell me say he not see money. Okay, and what date did that happen? And was Jack there? And approximately what time, ma'am? Well, me not have all of the information. Come out of my courtroom and stop waste my time. Yes, a damn jackass. You understand? Me break it up. Me the big old lion. Yes. What I think? Well, me win the case. She's really looking for like a monster. Yes.
Stacey Campbell, pick up
yourself, Stacey Campbell. You understand? Yes, Your Honor. And I have our voice here on recordings, Your Honor, with her saying these words. Okay, ma'am, this could easily be tailored, ma'am. You could snip off pieces of her on her life and put it together. How do you determine that this is valid evidence, you know, that
facts.
And facts? You understand me? Okay, ma'am, she does her charity on a public platform where you can obviously see what's been done with the monies that, you know, that were sent to her. So I want you to show me personally where you have sent your money, why this becomes such a big deal for you and you're fighting karate corruption every day. Now get the L. You know, get the L upon out of here. Yes. With your dumb ass self.
Guilty as charged.
And your chihuahua, your mongrel that's been barking in the dark. Get you two. Go find yourself a job. Yes. Go find yourself a job. You come out and you curse and say the same things all the time. You damn jackass. Ain't nobody gonna be intimidated by you. Yes, you are a fool screaming in the dark. That's who you are to us. Now get the L out of here. Yes.
All right.
All right. Okay. All right. That was what?
That was your question.
Okay.
So, for my turn.
Me fi ask you now.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Who do you?
You don't know if you want truth or dare.
Oh, truth or dare. Sorry. Me jump.
Look, I get to your head.
Yeah. You have to remind me. Truth or dare.
All right. Now go with a deer.
Deer. All right. Me dear, you fi buy me a foundation that fit my skin perfectly. Without because I know you don't know me the number foundation me wear. Me know you don't know it. So will you take up that offer? A girl need a new foundation. Fenty, dear, Fenty.
Me no say a Fenty you wear, but you think say me can guess what? There's so many different damn colors out there. You think say me I go get your color perfection?
Why not? You're around me every day.
No.
You're around me every day.
I
Alright,
could get it
well,
a little bit too dark. I could get it a little bit too light. And
Are
like
you
I would
keeping the channel challenge? Are you have a vlog buying me the foundation?
No,
Are you
sir.
keeping the
Now
challenge?
pass that
or
one
no?
there, cause me no
Okay.
want to get you the wrong sitting.
All right.
And then you come.
Well,
post
drink
me off.
on, chug on then, chug.
Pass.
Yeah, chug on. Chug on. Big up Chocolate over there. Big up yourself.
Big up Leroy.
Leroy's in the house.
Cheers.
All right.
Happy International Women's Day.
All right, chug it on. Uh-huh. All right, my turn. Hurry up. Get
All
ready
right,
for
truth
one.
or dare?
All right, dear.
All right.
You're a bad girl. You understand? Dear. Yeah. You're a bad girl.
All right.
Uh-huh.
Pretend to pick up a man in the live.
Pretend to pick up one man for the
Yes.
life.
All right.
No man not in the life.
Leroy
No man
there.
in the life.
Leroy there. Pick up Leroy.
No man. Oh, you know Leroy a man.
Leroy.
Oh, you know me know
Leroy
girl.
is a man.
Me know a girl is named Courtney. Me know a
Leroy.
girl. Leroy probably is a girl.
Amanda
Leroy,
Panier.
you're a girl. You're a girl, Leroy. No, me if you pick up somebody.
Pick up somebody from the live. Pretend there's a man. There's a
Me
man.
if you lyrics on man for the
Yes.
life.
Yes.
Hey, you boy.
Oh, you could have passed.
Oh, yeah, that's true. What we start already.
Okay, one.
All right. Hey, you boy of my complexion. Are you going in my direction? I would like you to give me an injection right here in my middle section. Hello? Let me see.
See, Latham is a man.
Latham, are you the owner of the S Hotel in Montego Bay? If so, holla. Okay,
That's all you got?
that's it. What else have we said to him, man? What else have we said to Ratted, man?
That's how you're going to pick him up? That's the best you got?
What you want me to do?
Hey.
You never pick up one man before. Let me see. Psst. You do that as a man or a woman, you know.
I guess either one.
Hello, is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. I can see it in your smile. You're all I've ever wanted. Your arms are open wide. I know just what to say, and I know what you want to do. But I got to tell you, sorry. I don't love you. Yes, I hate that. I hate that. What else you want me to do, Vanilla? Jesus Christ, man. Come. What else you want me to do? Me pick up a man already, man say no. The man gone, but he rotting business. No, sir.
You Billiard.
No, the man said no. No, ma'am. No, thank you. All right, the man gone. Jesus Christ. Move on to the next question. Oh, and your turn. Okay. Truth or dare?
Truth.
Truth. All right. Oh, my God. Who do... I can't believe we end up with the same question. Who do you perceived as the biggest liar on social media? Me can't believe me end up with the same question.
Pep Pep.
Pep Pep, why?
Pep Pep. Yo, Pep Pep come on her live and say she in a business if she will talk lie upon we. She in a business whether are true or true not. She say that on her live, say she will tell lie upon we. So, and me or tell enough lie. She contradict herself all the time. All the time. You know how many people get blamed for the one sitting? You know how many people she blamed for the one ratty tire? How many people get blamed for the one tire? How many people bust the one tire? We bust the tire?
Yeah, with family
bust the tire? Chris there England in bust the tire?
Everybody bust it.
Everybody bust a tire.
If we get together, go bust a tire.
Everybody get together and bust tire. Every day she come out, She don't remember her truth from her lies. She don't remember what lies she tells. So she come out.
She said she not
and
body
switch
shape
it up.
woman.
Yeah. She come out.
Woman.
She come switch it. She missed details that she told before. She switch it up. Woman lie. She is a liar.
Compulsive.
Pep, you're a liar. Compulsive liar.
Like she not sit down there and discriminate my antibody and feel body and all the women.
She says she not talk about woman body. She not discriminate against woman body. But she talk about we.
She not talk about women and wig when she always talk about some wig and I mean no so she not really price a wig them when me wear. If me ever show her wigs.
But then she talk about your body and go put on panty and then sitting there and pretend like she has somebody. Go sit down.
Yeah, she is another compulsive.
She is a compulsive liar.
May I agree with you, Vanilla? Liar. Liar.
She is a liar.
Big time liar.
And then she
not in a law school too. You know, and then she turned
lie. You have to do things to be able to get to law school that she hasn't done.
Exactly. We're not business where that we don't care when we had that liquor. I think we care tonight when we had that with shots. Hello. What else would I go call we if you what else would I go call?
Woo-hoo, with a business.
Alright. That was
me.
Yeah,
Alright,
yeah.
truth or dare?
Truth.
Alright.
It's all about the
Let's
truth.
go with the truth tonight.
Pep. What somebody say? Pep what? Liar, pants upon fire. A pants upon fire, draws upon fire, head upon fire, everything upon fire.
Or wig upon fire.
Everything upon fire. Yeah. Yes. Come on, Vanilla.
Alright. Besides Mama, what woman has made the biggest impact in your life?
Besides from my mother.
Yep.
Which woman? Okay, Women's International Day. Perfect. Nice question, Vanilla. There's so many, but I must stick with my family. People. My sister Marie. She has made the biggest impact in my life. When my mother left Jamaica, I was 12 years old. So she took on like the mother role for me and my brothers. And she is so smart, very smart woman. She's an entrepreneur. I always love her entrepreneur skills as a woman. She was also big in the church too, you know. So, and she never let anything stop her. She never takes no for an answer. She said there's no such thing as fail. The only time you fail is when you don't try at all, or if you fall down and you don't give up, get back up.
Yeah.
There's no such thing as failing. Yeah. And those stick with me for those words have been embedded in me. Another thing she told me that I will never forget is when Mike and I were dating, and Mike would when Mike and I were dating, she said to me that you're a wife. You know, you're a wife material. So if you're gonna give Mike everything before he becomes your husband, there is no reason for him to become your husband, because if you can stand on the ground and pick the fruit from the tree, there's no reason to climb the tree. So those are some of the stuff that she has instilled in me. And up until today, she is an amazing woman with her businesses in New York and just showing me as her younger sister how to do it. I look up to her like I would my mom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can see that. That's a good pick.
Yeah.
That's a good pick. All right.
All right, for you, truth or dare. Big up yourself, my sister Marie. I love you.
Love you, Marie.
Yeah.
All right. Boy. All right, dear.
Dear? All right. I dare you to repeat a patois sentence backward. And this is the sentence.
God help me.
Want it can't get it. And get it no want it.
Say that again.
Want it can't get it. And get it no want it. You gotta say that backwards.
And how many shots do I get?
How many what?
How many shots do I get?
You don't get no shot. You get one shot if you want to pass up on it, but you don't know what the other days are gonna be.
But how many shots do I get in total?
Only 2. And you already utilized your 2.
Me take me 2 shots.
So out of shots, me still have 1 left.
Me not no shot.
Yes.
Me not no shot left.
Come on, you got to try.
Alright.
Want it, can't get it. And get it, no want it.
Want, getty. Me. No. I mean,
Come on, man, come on.
wanty, can't get it. And getty.
No want
No
it.
want it.
Backwards now.
It, want, get. Can I write it down?
Yeah.
Alright.
Want it, can't get it. And get it, no want it. Want it, can't get it. And get it, no want it. Want it, can't get it. And get it, no want it. Me know me that make a buck on this patwa business one day. One day.
To get it and getty.
Want it, can't get it. And get it, no want it. Yeah, man.
Wanty.
Want it. How much time if you repeat, you junk? Want it, can't get it. And get it, no want it. Yeah. Want it, can't get it. Right, people? Enough people want it, and can't get it. Enough people get it, and no want it. All right.
Okay, I think I got it.
Okay.
It want no getty and it get yeah
Na part one no get. Na part one no get.
get. It want no getty and it get can't wanty. Did I get it?
Say it again.
It want no getty and it get can't wanty.
She right, people. Come in enough for me right, man.
Wanty.
So me no know she right.
Can't get it and getty
Getty,
no
no
want
want
it.
it. Yeah.
It want no getty and it get can't wanty.
Oh,
I'ma do.
Vanilla, you got it, Vanilla. You
And I
got
had to
it.
write that backside down,
got
husband.
it.
We could have get that a blow.
Aye. All right,
It
man.
was me have 2 shots under my belt. No, sir. We could have get that. We could have get that if we don't write it down.
Yes, you get it, right? You get it. That's how you get it. Yes, that's how you get it.
You never know, so you could have go so backwards, don't. Wanty, can't get it, and getty, no want it. It want no, getty, and it get can't wanty.
Right.
All right. Yoo-hoo!
Okay, come on.
All right, your turn. Truth or dare?
All right, dear.
No, girl.
In a mix of talking part one. No matter with it.
All right. Eat a piece of raw garlic. Keep or drink. I mean, if I go get a piece of raw garlic, are you gonna drink?
Eat a piece of raw garlic. You should have come prepared, because that's not going to be my fault now, people.
Me can
But
go
if
get
just,
it.
Yeah, but if you just sit down here and
Yeah,
look
me
for
can
the
go get it.
audience.
Yes.
Well, if you just sit down
2
here and
minutes,
look.
we can go get a piece of raw garlic, make it yummy.
You see, because me
It'll
know,
take long.
Yes.
Take long.
you see, because me know you're wicked. Yeah, and you probably going to have something worse than that. Me will eat the garlic.
All right.
Me will eat
Well,
the garlic.
hold on, people. Hold on.
Wicked, you see? Yeah, wicked. That's how evil sitting she come with. Yeah, me ask her for name nothing. Me not ask her for name nothing. Me talk to her in a comment, yeah? Because he got evil. Good. Kathy said good long time. Where you say you, good on you. Crystal was saying good night. Good night, Crystal. Good night. Let me see. Stacey, where y'all laugh off for me for you can't come rescue me. You know, if you're going to eat raw garlic, you know, cooking, you know, cook. Oh, me I gonna do that. Me can't swallow it like a pill. No. Jesus Christ, what a wicked girl. Kind of wicked best friend this me have. No, sir. You know what I mean? What kind of wicked friend this me have? We not eat raw garlic. Me come from Jamaica, vanilla. We garlic cooking our food. Don't people? Me garlic cooking our food when we eat it down at Jamaica. It cook and soft out. You're not even really tasty. No, sir. And then sit down and just a laugh, sir. You know, what kind of evil spirit come up in you, vanilla? Me know me shouldn't do that game here with you now because you're evil, man. Me if you eat raw garlic, how that I got taste, people? Yeah? Vanilla so long you take me. Me nah no garlic vanilla. Me ain't go food shopping. No garlic no did there. No garlic no did there.
Eh?
Jesus Christ, you find the garlic.
All right. Eh? See? Garlic. Yummy,
What
yummy.
kind of evil people them here?
You could take a shot, you know.
Me go near me because maybe we get rid of Duppy them what try to attack me auntie all the time. Then I say garlic get rid of Duppy.
Vampire.
A vampire them.
Yeah.
Me near me for me auntie say some vampire them will flee from here. I go and chew this bitch up and near it. I hope it work. Yeah, if it take some damn vampire them.
And say hot like pepper.
Yeah, that's the way I saw them say people.
You see, she didn't tell me she wanted me to eat seafood boil.
Oh my God, it act like a pepper, man. Me put my tongue up on it and it act like a pepper.
Hey, honey, you could have passed it up. It's good for blood sugar, see? It's good for your body. It's good for your body. Damn it.
Oh, if you name it for
all right.
Vampire them.
Yes.
Put it in
Eat it for the vampire them. You need to keep the vampire them away.
Mighty God, man. No, man. You're wicked.
Damn it. Eat it. Woo.
Oh my God, vanilla.
Vampires vanish.
You're wicked.
Evil spirits
Oh my God.
go away. Chocolate is eating a piece of garlic.
Never eat the wall.
Take yourself away.
Never eat the
Yes.
vanilla.
Eat it. It's good for you.
Jesus Christ, it's about not the throat.
It can't burn on your throat hole more than the Jack Daniel's Blue.
Oh, it worse than it.
I don't know how anything can be worse than that Jack Daniel's Blue tobacco saying.
This worse. Then I can come like pepper in there now.
Everybody chant with me. Eat it. Just put it all in your mouth and just chew and swallow. Take two chew and swallow. Two chew and swallow. Two chew and swallow. Two chew and swallow.
God almighty, you're wicked and wrath.
You get it? Yeah. See? She did it! Yay! Everybody clap with me. Everybody give Chocolate some hearts. Give her some give Chocolate some hearts, man. She did it, man. I'm proud of you, Chocolate. You did it.
Shut the hell up, vanilla. Just shut up. It a bun me, man. It a bun me tongue. It a bun every friggin' thing. It a bun.
You want some water?
I don't want nothing from you. I'm afraid that you're poisoning me.
Let me give you some hearts, Chocolate.
No.
Let me tell you to drink some water, please.
Oh my God, my nose are on. We got. I want one different best friend. Me hate you.
She did it.
Oh my God.
Proud of you, Chocolate. You did it.
Me never
You
make
could have
feel
passed, you know.
Me never make feel one of them so
could have passed.
excruciating.
It would have been excruciating if I had to take you up on that rotten seafood boil. I would have been doing worse than that. I would have been vomiting. Oh.
All right, shut up. What? Who for turn now?
My turn.
No, I know for your turn. You don't need to ask me
No,
nothing.
my turn for you to ask.
Dance to a dancehall, reggae song. You have to dance.
A truth or dare?
Oh, truth or dare?
All right, we'll take that dare.
You take it dare?
Yep.
Yeah.
Since you already say it, we'll just take it. We'll take the deer because me not try.
Evil girl, man. Let me play a song. You have to turn the camera and whine. You can't do no like a fool dancing. You have to whine and you have to whine go down. Because you're evil. So I want to sit in hard for you. Yeah, you're terrible. No. Reggae song, yes. Why not? Yes, you have to dance a reggae song. Yeah. Turn the camera over so I turn the music. Oh God. That was bad. That was bad, people. No. Oh, people eat raw garlic. Me never had raw garlic before. No, me soon find you a song. Oh God. No, sir.
You want me to get you some water?
Me don't want you get me nothing. No, me just want you dance.
I'm going to try.
Me don't want you get me nothing.
Crown Productions.
Somebody say him not there. Yo, Crown. What the girl in the now to TikTok? Every girl just tick. Every girl just tap. Every girl just tick, 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 tick. Every girl just tick it on a tack it on a tack it on a tick it on a tick it on a tack it on a tack it on a tick it on a. Go down, go down,
Go down.
go down.
Yeah,
Every
go on
girl
now.
just tick it on a tack it on a tack it on a tick it on a tick it on a tack it on a tack it on a tack it on a. Go down, go down, go down. Go back it up on people, man. Before you get boop in your back. Seven say it takes to touch to clap.
Why we don't go fast?
When my girl, I don't care with
Why we
that.
don't go
So we know
fast?
how to bend
The
your
run,
back.
all the TikToks
And we know
on the
just how
run,
to
darling.
TikTok. Every
Your
girl, every girl,
backside,
every girl.
yeah,
boom.
TikTok.
Every girl just
Yeah.
tick it on a, 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 tick it on a. Go down, go down,
Yeah.
go down.
Go down.
Every
Go
girl
down.
just
Get
tick
your
it on a, tick
backside
it on a,
down.
tick it on a, 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 tick it on a.
Yeah.
Go down,
Yeah,
go
move up your
down.
stiff waist.
Go down.
Your backside, yeah.
TikTok and bend your back. Bend your
TikTok
back
and
and
bend
just
back
go
by
down
your
flat.
back.
My girl, when
Yeah.
you sit on the in
Yeah.
your belly, come on, wine on that.
Yeah, wine.
Down to the ground.
Yeah.
One down and just long out your tongue. My girl, it's not easy. My girl, it's not easy.
Yeah, what you do now?
Every girl just tick it on a, tack it on a, tack it on a, tick it on a, tick it on a, tack it on a, tack it on a, tick it on a. Go down, go down,
Your backside,
go down. Every girl just tick it on a, tack it on a, tack it on a, tick.
Me do it.
Yeah, you
All
do
right.
it. Yeah. It
All
be
right.
sure easier than throwing up the damn garlic.
Me don't know what me a dance say,
me
but
break-
me
me
try.
break tinker garlic. God.
Oh, that's what that smell is?
Yes. Tinker damn garlic.
All right.
My turn.
Truth or dare?
Dear.
All right.
The garlic now make me top burp and it think you say, I want, me need to go brush my teeth, man. I want and use
Okay.
mouthwash. It think, man.
All right. This one not so bad.
Damn. No, sir.
On your next trip, you need to go live every day and show us what you're wearing.
Every day.
Every day.
Vanilla, oh, you so wicked, man.
Every day.
Why may I forget me like every day, Vanilla? Not what about just one
No.
or 2 days?
No. It's a dare. Are you going to take it or you going to pass? Every day, me say. You have one more pass, but you don't know what else is in here. And you have...
Oh, me have a
Yeah,
time
2
limit.
more
Me have
here.
a,
Yes.
Oh, time limit. Me have
Yes,
to come
you
for
need
line.
to decide right
This is
now.
so wicked. You know me have a trip I come up in at people. That's why she
Keep
put that. It's
or
terrible.
drink? Keep
Terrible.
or drink? What you gonna do?
You know Mike not like when me come on live when me ain't go on vacation.
Well,
Every
you don't
day
know what
when
else is in here.
Me have to go trick him. Oh God, me have to go work on tricking him.
I don't know what else might be in here. I mean, it's up to you. You have one more shot left. You took one already. So what you gonna do? You don't know what else I
What
have.
if you do, help me now, people. Help me. Tell me what to do. Please help me. Connection slow. Why does the connection
No, I
slow?
keep saying that from the other day.
Oh, no, help me. No, tell me. Tell me, Queen. Tell me. Should I drink it away or keep it? Jesus Christ. I can't stand. Why me decide for the game?
Somebody say take the shot.
Take a shot, people.
Andrea say take the shot.
Take a shot.
What else everybody else is saying?
How much more deer you have for me?
2.
Jesus Christ, we gal wicked.
You can't take the shot on the garlic.
But Vanilla, can't we compromise?
It's gonna mash you up.
Can we compromise and
Shot.
you cut down your days to like maybe 2? 2 or 2. 5, how much days? 7. No man.
I didn't
every
say
day.
you have to be on live for long enough. You just have to come show them where you're weird.
Why me have to show force on me them here?
I
You know
said
some of the
on
people
your
them
next
like me
trip,
here.
go live every day and show us what you are wearing.
Ah, Jesus Christ, me hear what them are saying.
A 5 minute that, you know.
No.
You see, she don't know what else me have, and she had
no,
2
not
more.
with the garlic. Then say no shot with the garlic.
Uh-huh.
It will kill me, people.
Then say it's gonna mash you up.
Drink it. It's the shot. Take the shot. Take the shot. Yes, take the shot. Take the shot. Then some if you take the shot, me not for come on live every day. Can show me where. Then some if you pass on it. Yeah. Do it so the mad people gonna say, oh lad, me I get mixed review.
I agree with you, Faye. I think she should do just. It could be a 5-minute live, you know. Me not tell her say she have to come on live for an hour.
Me
or two,
can't
you know.
drink with the garlic. Tell me if me can drink with the garlic. Because I'm about to take a shot on that one. Yeah.
You don't know what else me have, you
Them
know.
say shot. Jennifer says shot.
You don't know what else me have. Me just to tell you, me have 2 more. 2 more. Then say yes, go live.
Me forgot why.
I beg you, don't drink with the garlic, please.
Oh, then some enough to drink with the garlic. Oh my God.
Then I beg you, don't drink with the garlic. You need to make the garlic settle down.
Them say shot. Don't
Take the challenge.
Take the challenge. Take the challenge. Oh my God. I forgot to light.
You never know
trick
what I might have left. You have 2 deers left. 2 deer left.
No, Vanilla, but you have to compromise though with that, because you know, say, I mean,
All right.
you know him not like me on live all the time.
All right, go live for 3 days then.
3 days.
Yep.
All right, 3 days for a couple minutes.
3 days. I'll
Me
let you
can't
get away with it. Not every day. 3 days.
3 days. All right, we can me try to figure that out. All right, I'm afraid now. Then some enough to drink it, me enough a shot.
I'm saying go live when Michael when him the day.
All right.
Go live for 1 minute.
All right. Okay.
Go live in the bathroom, and then I tell you.
All right. Okay, make I try that then. All right. Okay.
Yeah, do that.
All right. Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Truth.
Truth or dare?
Truth.
Truth. Okay. Was losing your virginity a good or bad experience?
It was a bad experience. Me felt like I was gonna die. Yes. Cause you know them bust a cherry, so I thought I was dying.
Them bust a cherry?
Yes. I thought I was dying. I couldn't stop. I was bleeding all
Then
over
what kind
the
of
place.
cherry you have? American or Jamaican cherry?
Me no know what kind of cherry they down there, but it pop.
Oh, they're cherry.
And me not stop bleed, so I felt like I was dying and it hurt.
Okay.
Yeah, me never like it. I
Okay.
didn't like it. I didn't like my first experience.
Okay.
If me did go off from my first experience, me would I never do it again.
Okay. Alright. Alright, then bust up your cherry.
Now bust the cherry.
Yeah.
And then it did turn red.
Alright. Okay,
Yeah.
Vanilla. Alright, my turn.
Truth or dare?
Give me a truth. May I run from your deer them, Vanilla, because your deer them evil.
Alright, last
Last one. Okay.
truth.
Last truth. Okay.
Last truth. Alright. Other. Remember these words. Other than Auntie Donna, who is a woman platform holder that you would listen to all day. Let me repeat it. Other. You can't pick Auntie Donna. Other than Auntie Donna, who is a woman platform holder that you would listen to all day.
You're so she rotted evil now. And you say, Vanilla set me up. Because you're going to remove Auntie Donna. You understand me? And everybody I go know say me I go want say Stacey Campbell. Right? But Vanilla, me have to pick somebody. They must say me bias, because me have to say Stacey. And you set up a whole bunch of women platform now for have me. See?
No, you love them. You love enough. So.
I do.
So.
I do. But you know when Stacey over there, I look out certain way, you know me can't stay. Yeah. So, but you know me love me Stacey Campbell.
Of course, me know say you love Stacey. And me love Stacey too.
But yeah.
Stacey to the flipping world.
Yeah.
Mwah!
But you say all day.
You
Right?
say all day.
When Stacey play certain people voice, me can't listen. You know. And you say all day. Right?
We have you laughing, Stacey. We love you, Stacey. We love you, love you, queen.
What a position she put me in, mighty God. Alright, me have to pick somebody. Mighty God. You know some me have multiple people that me people
You know that there's multiple women that you love. And you love for what?
Yeah.
You just have to choose one.
The person, because of her voice and her accent, I absolutely love to listen to her. And I just feel her energy makes me know that she's a good, authentic person. I hope she'll never prove me wrong. And she's not, she's kind of new to social media, in my opinion, because I recently, not too long ago, discovered her. But I would have to say a Teacher K. I love her voice. Yeah, I love her voice. There's so many. I could say Lady V. I could. Oh my God. Oh no, please. Oh no, me love it. But me have to pick. And I love it, Teacher K too. But I love her
Stacey.
and Stacey, right?
Yeah.
But I love her. I love her accent.
Yeah.
I love her.
I
accent.
understand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Don't mean say we don't love anybody anyway.
Right, you know what I mean. I love listen to a lot of them. I love listen to Flawless too. I love listen. There's so many of them that I love listen to. You know, I love Tessa Plank, and she not come live a lot, but God knows a whole heap of them that I love and admire. Yeah, you shouldn't put me in that position for now.
Love them all.
But you exclude
Love
Antica, you know she fussed me.
Of course.
When it comes to Antica,
Of
there's
course,
no,
but
there's
no say
no
that
apology.
you would have say that you would have picked. That's why I have to say other than. Because that you would have picked. Me know that for a fact. Me know that for a fact. That's a given.
That's so shocking.
Althea,
Big up yourself. There's so many of them though. We don't want nobody think like we don't like them. Because you know that's not the truth. But it's just that that accent gets me every time.
Yeah. All right. Truth.
All right. Do you love it rough or soft?
Rough. You see me broke more than one bed. I've broken more than one bed. Me like it rough. Me like to give it rough. Me like to get it rough. Me a rough girl. Me a rough neck. Yeah. Me a rough rider.
Okay, all right, Vanilla, you answer
Rough.
question. Yeah.
See? And then me alone rough.
Oh, wow. All right, Vanilla.
Yes.
Okay, we know you love it. Anaconda
Yes.
rough. Okay. All right.
The anaconda hard, you know, you have to.
Okay, Vanilla. All right. Okay, go.
Okay.
My
All
turn
right.
now.
Your turn. Deer.
I'll go with a deer. Oh,
left.
it's a deer. All
You
right.
only have deer left.
All right, deer.
All right. Okay, you have one shot and you have 50-50. Okay, so you can either keep or drink.
Okay.
Give a tour of your closet and show how much clothes and shoes you have.
That will never friggin' happen. Me I forgot drink panic garlic because I will hell to the no. No, you know me better than that. You know some me did all parts of that. You know some me not give nobody no access to my closet. You know me not gonna do that. Hell to the no. You know that would be such an awkward shit for me. Hell no, I could never do that. Me a shot this week. If garlic could know, me a shot. I'll do it. You want me show you myself on vacation, then you take you up to a different level. Me bring them in my bedroom, in my closet.
Hey.
Nah happen.
All right.
Okay, your
What do we have
turn.
left?
All right.
What I have? I think I have 2 left, so I'll take the truth.
You take the truth. Okay. Do you like it umbrella, or naked? Let me make the audience know what I talk about. Do you like it umbrella or naked? Meaning, she like the anaconda with the umbrella upon it, the skin, or she like it naked? Whatever chat say.
Naked.
Naked.
I love nakedness.
Okay, so you
Hello?
You're naked. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Naked all the way.
Naked. Okay.
Yeah.
All
See,
right.
I know me a little naked.
Naked.
Mwah.
Okay.
Love you, queen.
No umbrella. All right.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
All right, your turn.
Okay, what you have left for me?
All right. All right. Bless the last woman to comment with $25 in credits. Go.
The last comment, Missy, is from a Jacqueline Ellis.
All right, Jacqueline Ellis.
Yeah, that's the last
You've won
question.
$25 in credits.
You can either keep it or give it up.
You can either keep it or give it up.
That was the
But
last
that was the last comment you
Missy.
see.
Yes, Jacqueline. All right.
All right.
Yeah, I'll keep it. I'll keep
All
it.
right.
You know me kind of my love gift. So yes. Jacqueline, call us. Do you have the chocolate and vanilla?
Right here.
Phone, $25 in credits. You know me need to pass that up. Yes. You can either keep it if you don't need credits, or you can donate it.
Yes, yes. Call us, Jacqueline.
Jacqueline
Let me put
Ellis.
the number in.
Yes. Really, Jacqueline? Yes. Yes, Jacqueline, really.
Call the number here, Jacqueline.
Uh-huh. You can either keep it or you can donate it. However you want to use it. It's yours. $25.
Joseph Graham, big up yourself.
$25 in credits.
Call us, Jacqueline.
With pleasure. Happy Women's International Day. Shall I call? All right. We'll wait for your call, Jacqueline. All right. I have one more for vanilla.
All right.
And this is a deer.
Okay, I'm ready.
Vanilla, I dare you. The same deer you just dare me. The last woman to comment, you give $25 to.
Patricia Bravo. Patricia Bravo.
Patricia Bravo is the last one you see.
Yep.
Okay.
Patricia Bravo.
Congratulations, Patricia. $25 in credits for you tonight.
Yep, Patricia.
So
Call
it's
us, Patricia.
Patricia and Jacqueline, whichever one you want. Yes, Patricia and Jacqueline, you can either keep it
Or give
you can
it back.
donate it. Yeah, or give it back. It's up to you. Yes. So you're keeping that deal.
Yeah.
All right. Good.
All right, we got a call.
We got a call. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Good night.
All
You wanna
right.
keep- who's
You
this?
won $25 in credits. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Are you gonna keep it?
Yes, I'm gonna keep it.
All
right.
right. Happy Women's International
Happy
Day.
Women's International Day to you, Queen. Who is this?
Thank you, and same to you.
Thank
Who
you.
we're speaking to?
Patricia, she's the
Patricia.
one. Yes,
Okay.
Patricia. All right, text us your telephone, your name and your telephone service.
Okay, thank you.
You're
All right,
welcome.
you're welcome, Queen.
Bye-bye.
You're
Bye.
welcome. It's your turn, Jacqueline.
Jacqueline, your turn, Queen. Go, go, Power Ranger. Big up yourself.
Yes. I hope you guys enjoy our
Hope you
Tuesday
guys
day.
had
Happy Women International Day to you all again.
Yes,
Thank you for
happy
coming and
Women's
seeing about us.
Day.
I love you guys. And there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. Jacqueline, we're Yes, to deserve the love of a woman like you. Hey!
Call that number, Jacqueline.
Call that number. We just pin it. We just put it in the comments. What's up, only? We're together. Yes. Come on, Jacqueline Ellis. Come on. We're giving you 2 minutes. I'm timing you. It's now 9:51. Yeah, we're giving you till 9:53. Then we gonna give it away.
Call us, Jacqueline. Call us on
Yes,
WhatsApp.
we're not going back.
No.
All right, we're gonna go back to the comments.
Ophelia, amiga,
Oh, my
Michelle, Crystal Hossein, Michelle,
Leroy,
Rebecca,
I wanna like you. Hey, I wanna like you. Hey, can't take the garlic smell no more. When I hold you, it feels like calling. Somebody calling. Hello.
hello, good night. Good night, Queen. How are
Is
you?
this Jacqueline?
Yes, this is Jacqueline.
Jacqueline, you are the winner of our $25 in credits tonight. Would you like to keep it or donate it?
I'll keep it.
You're
All
going to
right,
keep it.
congratulations.
Congratulations. Send us your name and your telephone service, all right? Or whomever you would like us to send it to, all right?
Okay, no problem. Thank you, Queen.
You're welcome. Happy Women's
Happy
International
Women's
Day.
International Day.